just had a meeting over at the Get Better Today HQ. Super excited for how this summer's gonna go. Me and Jamal are gonna be pumping out those TikToks left and right.
TikTok God.
Yeah.
You spilling the beans now?
Get that content creation. Why not? I mean, it's all out there. But yeah, we got this middle bench day today. It's usually Wednesdays are like the worst days of the week in terms of training, just because nobody cares about a middle bench day in between big squats and big deadlifts. But we're just gonna get through it with a little training at it. Really, I'm just looking forward to tomorrow because that's when you get to deadlift. But just eating right now, just because I haven't had anything all day, like ever since this morning. Got some Chick-fil-A sandwiches. Just trying to fuel up because I was at this meeting about to fall asleep because I was so damn hungry. But yeah, I mean, we're just about to get after this training edit, and I gotta like think of a thing. Like y'all have like run that. I'm gonna have to be like, I have to like think of like a moniker or some shit.
I mean, you don't have to.
You don't have to, but yeah, just don't use it.
No, obviously not. But like, I just have to think of something like eventually that is like our thing that I can just like say.
What do you like doing? Like, what's your...
Like,
honestly, that shit will come. It will come.
It'll come naturally.
Because it came naturally with me.
I don't want to think too hard about it. It'll come naturally. Yeah. So I mean, honestly, we're about to get after it. That's it.
Just detox, my calling is right on time. Transformation, I must have 1,000 lives and like 3,000 wives. You should know that I'm slightly off, fighting off demons that been outside. Better known as myself, I'm a demigod. Every thought is creative, sometimes I'm afraid of my open mind.
I feel like death right now. I'm so damn tired.
Tired?
You're not tired?
No, I'm not tired. I think
Maybe it's because I just ate. I don't know. Maybe I ate too much. But gotta get these accessories. Am I in the no? I'm gonna get these accessories and get the fuck out of here.
Shit.
Alright, so as you guys saw, that little bench workout was nice to come in and get some blood flow going, but I'm just so goddamn tired because I still need to figure out my eating schedule, and even my sleep has just been off just because my body's still getting used to being down here in Texas. So we're probably gonna close it out for today, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow for deadlift.
What's up, shawty?
Duty,
Yo.
I've never had chicken and waffles ever.
Yeah?
Really? No, never. They don't eat that up north.
Bro, we're gonna blow your brains. Oh, I mean, yeah, pause. Shit.
What did you say?
I was about to blow. I'm like, wait,
blow your brains. These are blow your brains out.
Shit.
I was like, but wait.
Over here.
I'm gonna let y'all go first. I don't know what I want.
Shit.
Holy hell, dude. I've never had some shit like this ever. This shit actually looks crazy.
Shit, you wanna open the video real quick?
Oh, yeah. Alright. So, we're here with Shalon and we're having some chicken and waffles. Never had it ever before, ever. But apparently this is like a prime southern meal, or like just a staple down here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just here chilling out, enjoying it, and just kicking back. That's it.
Shit.
Okay, so we're here at Drop the Strength. We just got back from the GBT HQ. Had a meeting with Russ, just talking about my role here while I'm here in Texas. We've decided that it'd be best suited for me to step up as the creative marketing director to help take the brand to the next level in terms of pushing TikToks with Jamal, just adding stuff, just leveling up our Instagram game and just everything that we're doing. So I'm super excited to see what I can do while we're down here. But right now we got deadlifts. Looking for a high 600 to low 700 single. Just gonna see what's there. Low 700?
Low 700. Standard.
We're gonna see. But I mean, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm just ready to pop this pre and get after it. So let's get it.
Why these niggas talking fucking shit? I told them pipe down, I don't need no little bitch. I fuck that bitch, they Doja Cat. Pull up in a scat pack, windows tinted all black, bulletproof and all that. Fuck that, fuck you, fuck that, fuck you, fuck that. Bro, I'm posted like a bandit, chop and take a fucking candy. Fuck your hoe, I'll leave her stranded, come and get her, she just landed. I got stamina, I'll be that soldier that will damage ya. 4-5, just let it go, push a nigga, don't want smoke. You want smoke, let me know, I got smoke like Bobby Hill, Jack and Jill, Rocky Kills, punch you nigga.
I keep these snipers and I hit this and I go. I'ma make a little count at the end of the tunnel. After I fuck you, let me cry on your shoulder.
Because I wanna leave her to travel on. Like next week I wanna take 727, week after 760. So I'm excited myself up to
Is it a single?
yeah, that's a single. I stay in the pocket. Moves pretty well, but what I was really looking forward to was the back down. So we did 650 for a set of 5. It wasn't too bad, but just because I'm not used to this humidity, the chalk just kept wearing off my hand super easy. So after reps 3 and 4, I had to keep applying chalk between reps, and I was kind of just wasting energy doing that. But I was able to complete the set at an RP 9 to 10. So I'm happy with the way it went. Just because this whole week I felt pretty shitty going into my workouts because I haven't been used to the environment here. But the single moves very well. So I'm starting to show small signs of being able to get used to the heat down here. But we're just happy with it. So we're gonna finish up with some back down, get some back work in, and then get out of here.
Couple for my beats. She's not looking for peace, she turned street. I'm counting with people that write in prison, counting with them. Put your knees on her knees, mama,
That's a wrap.
Purple paint, piece of paint, bitch, push big.
Alright, 3, 2, oh fuck. 3, 2, 1. Jamal, go to the right a little bit. Here you go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so we finished up the bodybuilding part of the workout. Ready to go home, just chill out. I'm gonna go home and tan for a little bit because I can't be down in Texas and be pale as fuck. Like we were doing some posing earlier and I was pale as shit. I gotta look better. So go home, get some tanning done. We gotta work at GBT tomorrow, be at the office all day. We have a creative meeting that we'll get with you guys on. But other than that, we'll probably bring that in the next episode, no lie. But like, comment, subscribe, and until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so we're at the crib right now. We're about to make some dinner. I think I'm about to make around 8 to 16 ounces of ground turkey, 93.7. And then I'm gonna mix it in with one of these microwavable rice things. These things are actually gas. I think they're around 400 calories, something like that. But all carbs taste great. You can get these at HEB and just this as well. So I'm gonna mix that all up, put some salt, pepper, garlic in there, and throw it in this bowl right here. All right, so we got 16 ounces of 93.7 ground beef right here, and this is 3 cups of cooked rice. This is the cilantro or the cilantro and lime type shit. It's actually so tasty. I'm gonna throw all that in this big ass bowl, see what it looks like. All right, so here's the final result right here. I seasoned everything with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and what's this? Fuck. And some parsley flakes. Shit's gonna be gas. It smells so good already. I tried some of the ground beef just to see if I needed any more seasoning. So fucking tasty. Forgot to mention, but I'm also having a full 2% Fairlife with it. So that actually caps off my macros perfectly for the day with, holy shit. Well, my lens doesn't want to focus, which I like, but it ends my day perfectly with 3460 calories, as well as 338 carbs, 98 fat, 250 protein. So that'll probably conclude this video. Tomorrow we bench and then Saturday we squat, but I'm probably gonna bring you guys that in the next video, whenever that releases. Maybe Monday, Sunday, not too sure. But if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I just scraped it off the top, cut it off the road, out the curve, out the block. I was already sold out of work by 10 o'clock. Too deep in the streets, felt that pain, but it meant a lot. Whenever she calls, know what I gotta do. I'm moving with a two.
Alright y'all, so we're back with another YouTube video. We just got done a big creative meeting at Get Better Today, HQ. We were actually able to get the Discord involved where we were having the creative meeting live through a video chat so that the Discord could actually comment on all the designs that we were showing and kind of give their input as to where they want us to take the brand. So that was cool. That was a really cool experience. We're looking to do more of that in the future, this summer, and I'm just looking forward to just getting the audience and the Discord more involved. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and join that. But right now we're gonna have some Chipotle because I'm hungry as shit. Like I had like 5 bowls of Cinnamon Toast Crunch this morning, but I haven't had anything since. And we're actually gonna go train over at Alpha Elite today, or Alpha Land, get a nice bench session and see what's going on. I've been at a gym like once before for the grand opening, but I haven't actually trained there. We're gonna go see what's going on with that gym. And I'm just excited because I've heard a lot of mixed things, but I just feel like it's a novelty and an experience that I haven't experienced yet. So I'm looking forward to it. So we're gonna go get some Chipotle, fuel up, and then get over to Alpha Land.
Girlie, turn my tape on. Making you wake up early. Tell your girlie, turn my tape on.
You know what I mean?
So what you got?
Okay, so we got bowl with white rice, steak, corn, cheese, and guac, mild salsa, and then guacamole, and that's all I need. I'm not a big fan of sour cream. It makes me gag for some reason, so I just can't have that. But just something light. We don't want to overdo it because last thing you want is be eating too much prior to workout and then you just feel like shit. So I feel like this is the perfect amount right here to have and still be a little bit hungry after so that we can actually have a good workout.
Tough as fuck, dude.
I don't even know what this is. Amazon? This regiment.
These iced up like everywhere.
You got more tatted up things coming out here, or is that shit all?
No, this is all new. Yeah.
Oh, it's all new, huh?
I just had my legs. Now I started my arms.
There you go.
My hands.
You trying to do some more shit, or you?
Yeah, I just don't care anymore, you know?
You say fuck it, right?
Drawing on myself.
When I move, I'll get tats.
Yeah.
It's so good, yeah, funny.
Alright, bro. I'll be in there.
I'll get
some pics. I'm about to lift, so I'll
Alright, sure.
I'll get pics, you guys.
Yeah, this place is fucking crazy. Have you had Alpha Eats before?
Yeah.
You have? No. I wonder if it's any good.
There's a menu here.
Oh, lol. Yeah. That's cute. Damn.
Shit.
They really like.
Dude, it's like.
Yeah, like what the?
Dude, like this thing's bougie.
Yeah, it's bougie as fucking. Like so fucking bougie. Like what the hell?
So the gym earlier was like it was packed with like equipment, and so like I'm trying to see like what they're doing with it right now.
Yeah.
Because last time I was here was like.
Wasn't it usually packed with shit?
Yeah.
In there, and now it's empty.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to figure out like what the fuck's going on
There's like another gym outside though, so you're fine.
Yeah, I know about that one. Let's go check that place out because I want to. That's where apparently the combo racks was supposed to be.
Yeah, it's in the backside.
Dude, I'm gonna be fucking pissed.
Oh yeah, so I guess they had it locked up in the back right there.
Oh yeah.
You know what? Fuck it. We're just gonna own. I'm gonna own my own combo rack at this point.
Dude, I'm about to fucking bring a combo rack here myself. At least they're gonna bring him back out.
Yeah, sure. It's good that they consider moving it. Yeah. If they have it in Gym 1, holy shit.
I would like it in Gym 1.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here at Alpha Land for the first time ever getting this training session in. They don't have the combo racks out right now, but it's no big deal because I asked Christian, he said he's gonna bring them back eventually. But we're just here. I mean, honestly, I've never seen anything like this. A lot big, younger crowd. Going to a powerlifting gym all the time, I forget what it's like to work out with a lot of people that are my age. So it's a cool sight to see. Like it's a different atmosphere for here for sure, relative to like any other powerlifting gym. But it's good to change it up. So we're gonna get it here. We're gonna get after this bench workout. We have some heavy triples, I think, with like high 300s. Not too sure what it's gonna be, but I'm excited. We're just gonna get after it regardless.
Floor seats for the Knicks. Couple models blow a kiss. They don't even wanna pick. Wanna lick up, wanna. I done made a couple hits.
Nice to finally meet you. It's so nice to meet him. It's like I moved in like Monday. I've been absolutely horrible.
Yeah, Russell was telling me about it. Yeah, because we're in the lab. I was like, yo, like, I think we can shoot weed. I thought he was down.
Yeah, no, he hit me up about it. I was like, yeah, it sounds like a great idea. That should be hard.
You're the whole summer, right?
All 3 months. I'm looking to change my life.
Yeah, no, I'm excited.
And this is the place to do it.
We're working out here in Russell.
Yeah, I'm gonna just be back and forth because like I feel like this is a really good place to be with everything that's going on here.
Yeah, for sure. If you ever want to like duck off, the Anaka ATM's over there.
Oh yeah?
So just like obviously like people are gonna decide you and shit. If you ever want to just chill out, like it's literally in the corner, just hit me up. I'll show you the way to get there like that back way. But if not, I can spot you. Alright, I appreciate that, buddy. I'll see you around. I got you around.
That's Ant, big baller Ant. Head hunch, not head honcho, but he's one of the guys running it over there at Anaka. He's doing big things. Shout out. Finished up benching. Let's do a little bit of accessories. We'll do some triceps, some back, maybe some arms. But other than that, I don't want to do too much because I want to set up myself for a good bench day come Monday. So you always got to balance in your workouts how hard you want to push. You need to know when to push or when to pull back. Because oftentimes if you push too hard, you're not going to leave enough juice in the tank for the next workout where you need to be strong.
Set it off.
it's good to change it up. I'm looking forward to being between here and Corrupted this summer. Definitely gonna need to do most of my powerlifting at Corrupted, but when it comes to the bodybuilding part, I might have to swing over here since it's just down the road. But I'm gonna wrap it up here. Bring you guys a video sometime either tomorrow, or we're either gonna film tomorrow's squats, or we're just gonna pick it up Monday with bench. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Like old dog with that Glock, I get busy. Posted on the set, not full of hundreds, not a 50. Catch me hanging with the Bloods out in LA who shot Ricky. I'm in Cleveland with my fellas, bitch, we terrorize the city. Don't compare me to no rapper who ain't never shot his blicky. Not full of blues, don't see not a 20. Came in with them tools, Broski got the semi. Came in with like 2 sticks.
Go, Sean!
Lightheaded after that shit. Fuck.
Go ahead.
session, and probably the first true session that I was happy with all week long. Everything felt really well, or everything felt super good. I'm adjusting to the heat very well. I'm just happy to be here, man. The vibes are right. It's always good down here. I'm just happy to be here. I think today's just a chill day. I don't think we're doing much this Saturday. I think we're gonna go chill at Gia and Dion's later. But other than that, just decompressing from the busy week that we had, just enjoying our weekend, and we're ready to get back after it on Monday. You want to show them the fit real quick? Oh yeah, show them the fit. All right, so we got something light on. We got the Great Britain singlet, along with the Storm sleeves, Storm wrist wraps, belt, and then we got the UNC ones on. I don't see anyone out here rocking it like me, besides Russ obviously, but no one's matching their fits up like this. Nobody.
Ain't nobody, bro.
So we finished up with some RDLs. I'm tired as fuck, but I'm just ready to go home, chill, and reboot next week. So if you guys made it through the whole video, I appreciate you guys all tuning in. We'll bring you guys some video next week with whatever we got going on, GBT related or just workout related. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Your father just detox, my calling is right on time. Transformation, I must have 1,000 lives and like 3,000 wives. You should know that I'm slightly off, fighting off demons that been outside. Better known as myself, I'm a demigod. Everything